Hi, Chris again. As promised on the mobile app video, I've done a separate video all about the menu that you have, which is the Buy From Supplier under the stock menu. Now this menu item is not activated in all systems. It very much depends whether or not a contractor would like its operatives to be able to raise purchase orders from the mobile app. Clicking into Buy From Supplier will allow the operative to select the supplier that they are going to or are currently in, and then using the Add button at the bottom of the screen allows you to add items to your order. So you can search the part list by typing it in the field here, or by searching using the magnifying glass will show the list of all products. So let's say, for example, I'd like to buy one of these items here. As I select it, it has completed the code and the description all ready to go. We mentioned serialized stock items on the previous video. If a particular item is a serialized stock item and you do have to track the serial number through the life of its journey in your system, then you can enter that here, and you can do that either by typing or scanning a barcode or QR code here. Being a purchase order and the fact that we're going to now buy some products, we need to provide the quantity and the rate. So I'm going to say that I want 3 of those, and because I've no idea about my rates, I'm going to go with a £5.50 per item. If the price for the product that you're looking at contains the VAT, you'll need to select this option here. If it's just net without the VAT, leave that unchecked. The field here for customer number, that might well be captioned ever so slightly differently in your system, but customer number in my demo system is a job number or a job reference for the job that I'm working on. So if you're doing this buy from supplier to replenish some van stocks that could be used on any job, then you would just leave that blank and press next. If, however, you're buying this product for a particular job, you can search for the job here in this field, or like you've seen with the part codes, simply pressing on the magnifying glass will show you a list of available jobs that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, we're buying it for this particular job here. Selecting that will put that information in here. Once you've completed the order screen, simply press next, and you'll be given the option to add further items to your order if you're buying multiple things. The summary screen that you can see now is very similar to the summary screen you've seen on other processes from the stock menu. We can edit the item that we've put in, and if we've forgotten to add anything in, we can add further down here. To confirm that we want to buy the items listed, simply press the buy button. You can then, before you complete the order, confirm the quantity and rates again before pressing next. And then a little how we saw the option for the collection from supplier, you can enter the payment method here. So you can choose how you're paying for the product and then pop the delivery note number in here. You may have spotted just down here, purchase order was created successfully, and also we did a dial. That has now dialed that purchase order back to the back office. And now in our summary of stock held, we can see the items that we've just purchased. And just to show the back office side so that you can see how the purchase order system works when you use the buy from supplier, it looks no different to any other purchase order sheet. You can see here that the description of the order was a direct purchase from the supplier, and we can see that it was our operative Carl who did that. And we've got the order value and the value of the deliveries. Because we've taken receipt of the order whilst we were there in the merchants, it has been delivered. So you can see we've got the ordered and delivered values already in. And there they are on the order lines where we can see the product code that we actually ordered. All that would be left for you to do in the back office would be to record the invoice from the supplier when it comes in. So there you go, that is how to use Buy From Supplier on the mobile app, and you can see how it looks in the back office here. If you've got any questions about this one, or you would like to get this set up on your system, please get in touch and we can look at that for you. Thanks for watching.